Joe Beermaster, we have a Cadillac keyless remote. This is the typical battery on multiple years of Cadillac. I would think this is from 2014 up. I'm going to show you how to change the battery and the key fob when that goes dead. I like to make my videos short and sweet, so let's get right to it. First thing you want to do is take the valet key out, which is a hidden key inside here. And you do that, there's a little button on the side. See the button right there? We're going to press that button and pull the ring at the same time. And there's your valet key. That's in case you can't get in your car because the remote's not working, etc. So now we have to open this. This is the top cover here. And we want to get the top cover off. There's no real easy way of doing it other than getting a screwdriver. I have a small one here. If you look in there, there's a silver area right there. You want to stick a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, in that area and twist. Now this is a little thin here, but I'm going to use it. You just stick it in there and just give it a little twist. Now that was a little easier than it is because I already had it opened, and it's never been opened. It's a little tougher to do. So now there's your battery. You want to make sure the innards don't fall out of this. Be very careful. Some of the older car keys will do that, but the new ones kind of stick together. So here you want to use your same little screwdriver. Stick it in here. Kind of give it a little twist. Get it loose. And there it is. There's your battery. Now remember, the positive side was down. The side with the writing was on the downside. CR2032. That's the battery. CR2032. That's a very typical battery for these key fobs. So you want to pick one up at your local pharmacy or hardware store. They have them. Very common. I've even seen them in dollar stores. So. But I don't know if I trust the dollar store stuff. So get the new battery, put it in, and we're going to get that in there. Everything's very tight. Click it in, bada bing, bada boom. Same way. And now we're going to click it all together. It's all clicked. We're just going to check that. Nice and tight, snug. Put that on top. Click, click. It's all nice and tight. Put the key fob in. The valet key into the fob, should I say. Click-a-roo. Now you want to test it on the vehicle. Make sure everything works, and that should do it. Joe Beermaster. Thanks for watching another key fob battery replacement video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate it, and I hope you appreciate my videos. Take care.